This session on self-massage is going to be focused on the pecs. That's the chest area. It's these big ones going across here. And underneath, of course, is lying the lungs and stuff. So it will also be very effective for the lungs, helping to disperse debris and help get any congestion that is in there out. So the first thing that you always want to do when you're doing self-massage is always come to your breathing, come in control of it. And then number 2 is to be in a nice relaxed stance. This stance that I am in now is a cheese stance, and I have more on the correctness of that in another video. And with this massage on the pecs, we will be making more the rotated movement, which is also explained more easy in the video called floating hands, shifting core. And then the last thing that of course you need to know is your tools, and your tools will be your hands. So we will use our hands in a unlocked fist, and we will mostly be hitting in the front fingers here and on the side and under here. All of this area can be used. We just start slowly with floating hands and moving core. And the other thing that you should really check in on is that you are breathing, of course. So once you have this movement, and we're going to do this one on the pecs, on the chest, help free any congestion in your lungs. It's great for that. If you're a smoker, you can get a lot of the mucus and stuff out on this one. So we just begin by going under the crease of your breast and just giving yourself a nice beating. The strength and the speed of the motion is up to you. You don't need to get fixated and stuck on my speed. And of course, we need to go to the breath. So I'll go to the breath for a moment so you see. So we go. Now we go along the top. Around again and up again. So we go around the top again. And now if you want to get more into the center and down the center, and we don't have to do it super strong, you do it at your feeling. So we get in the center. We do the center ones, we really get those lungs being vibrated and help knocking everything out. Now we can also raise our arms a little bit and really get at the attachment of the pecs, which is on the arm. Do my full movement for a moment so you see, really get into it. Using sound is really good. That was pec massage added to some of the other massage. You can just mix and match depending on what you like. Keep watching my videos and you will be a master for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you like. Please share and like. Online coaching, I'm also available for that. Thank you very much. Have a great day.